All right, so I'm going to go to user, system is set up. I'm going to go to the log. I'm going to go to maintain user security profile. All right, and now I'm going to select add user. Okay, so I'm going to minimize my screen. And the best way to create the users is how they were set up for entering the cloud environment, which is first name dot last name, right? So we're going to create the first user, and for the password, I'm going to make it 1234. Okay, 1234, and then I'll show you where you can change the password later on. Okay, we're going to leave this as a normal user. We're going to click OK. All right, and now we're going to give Aaron or Aaron, I'm not quite sure how you say it. Now we're going to give them access. Okay. After this X turns into a check, then we will have access. Aaron will have access to Quantum. This usually takes about 40 seconds. While that's happening, I'm going to go and select the next user, which is Suhan. Okay, Aaron now has access to Quantum. I'm going to select the next user. Okay, and I'm going to make this user's password the same, 1234. 1234. All right. Okay, we're going to select OK. All right. And now I'm going to right click where the X is, and I'm going to grant Suhan access to the system. Okay, when this X turns into a check, we're going to add the next user, and the next user is Rajesh Raj. Okay, so I'm going to select Rajesh Raj name here. And I can wait until this X turns into a check, and then I can add the next user. Okay, now we can add the next user. All right, and the password is going to be 1234. Okay. I'm going to click OK here. I'm going to enable user grant. Okay, I'm going to go find the next user to add to the system. The next person is Syed Hassan. Okay. When this X turns into a check, we will add the next user. All right, now we're going to add the next user. select the last user. The last user is Robert Satish. All right, I'm going to select the next user. Okay. Password is going to be the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. All the users that I have here have been added. Now, keep in mind, you can keep adding users, but it just means that only 6 people, 6 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that 5 people can be logged in at the same time. But you can create as many users as you need. You can have 20 users, and they all log in at different times of the day. Now, this password, this username and this password is good for your live database. This will not work in your training database. Okay? Again, this is good for your live database. If you try to use this login for your training database, it's not going to work. Okay? For your training database, I encourage you to still use CityDBA Master Key. All right? So we add users to the system. Now we're going to go here, system setup, global settings. Okay? And we're going to go to the number line. Okay? So for customer quotes, what number would you like to start at? For customer quotes, what number would you like to start the quote at?
Hi, sorry, there was some background noise over here. Like the numbering system, can we decide later? So because my team is busy, the data action team, so they haven't prepared the upload data. So yeah, numbering system we can do.
Okay. What about the logo? Did you get the logo?
Yeah, logo, I have sent you the mail just 5-10 minutes back.
Okay. All right, I see it. All right.
Yeah, it's PNG format.
Okay, fantastic. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Let's go here to resize. Okay, so what's acceptable for quantum for the logo is 190 on the horizontal. Okay, so let's see how this is going to look. All right, so we're going to try it out. Okay. Okay, so here's the logo, and of course we can't test it out until we run a transaction in the live database. What we can do is add it to the training database, and we can test it out in the training database. Okay, so other than that, what we need to do here is the email settings. What kind of email service do you currently use?
It's Gmail.
Okay. Right. So what we need now, in order for us to update the users, of course, is their password to the Gmail. Okay, so we can do that today, or we can do it at another time. Let me make sure I got this here. Okay.
Yes, like, can we do this basic user setup in the live account itself?
This is what we're doing. We're doing it in the live account.
Oh, this is a live account. Okay.
Yeah, this is the live account.
Oh, yeah,
Right
like
now
it.
we're doing. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So what we're missing from here, of course, is the numbering log. We're missing the logo. Okay. The numbering log, the email, no, the logo we have. I'm sorry. We need to set the logo in the training database. Okay. So what we're going to do now is company detail. Okay. So right here, give me one moment. We go to close this up. Okay, let's go to here. So let me see. Okay, I don't know how to do it. All right, what I need you to do, Sayed, is go to our website, componentcontrol.com. Okay, let me know when you're here. Sayed,
Yeah. Sorry.
did you go to our website?
Yeah. I've gone to your website.
Okay. When you're on our website, you're going to click where it says customers,
Yes.
and you're going to click technical support.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're going to scroll down, and you're going to request here, security request a screen share. Let me know when you're there.
Yeah. Have requested.
Okay. Okay, fantastic. When you click here, fill this out and choose me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Choose me, Gustavo Pro.
Okay. Just a second. Right now, I'm in India, so I will give my number.
It's okay.
Uh,
You can even type a number one. The system doesn't care. It just wants some information here. Yeah.
oh, yes, I have chosen Gustavo Perez. Yeah.
Yep.
So I've done it. I will like a screenshot.
Yep. Server request feature.
Yeah.
I see it.
Okay.
Okay, so now the system is going to ask you to run the software. There's going to be an arrow pointing at it. Make sure you run the software.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Nope, select now. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Now we can go here. Okay, so now you can control my screen. Go ahead and put in the address that you want to be your office address on the top.
Okay. So it's if I have yeah.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
is the same thing, the shipping address?
Yes, same.
Okay, perfect. I can do the rest. All right. Fifteen systems.
And postal code is 7073.
I'm sorry, what was that?
The postal code, the zip code.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Unicorn postal.
Okay. I have to check. Okay. Go ahead with the zip code.
7073.
7073. That's it.
Yes, yes.
All right. Is there a general phone number?
Yeah, it's plus
Somebody can
nine. Yeah, plus 971 5430
430.
30
Mm-hmm.
312.
All right. Is there a general email address for the entire company?
It's sales.
You can type it in if you want.
Yeah, yeah. I will do that. Yes.
Okay. Perfect. All right. So now I'm going to click OK. All right. So details is done. Miscellaneous settings. Okay. Document images. We have the logo. Okay. All right. Do you have any part numbers or companies that we can enter into the live database?
Yeah, those two data like need to complete it. I have done my Yeah.
No problem. All right. Let's go test the logo. So the live database right now, if you wanted to start adding information, you can. Okay.
Okay.
Let me just send you an email. All right, I'll do this quick. Okay, so let's go to user. Log on to the training database. Select yes. All right, so we're going to log into the training database. Okay. For the training database, we're still going to use this VPN user key. All right, let's test that logo out. Let's go to user, global settings. Okay. Let's do this replace. Okay, we're going to test the logo out. Now we're in the training database, right? So the address, of course, is going to be different. Okay. So this is what the logo will look like in your live database.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Perfect. All right. Do you have any questions for me?
So far we have covered yesterday the complete cycle.
Yep.
And the next step, that is once our data is ready, the company details, master part details, and inventory. So once it is ready, how to initiate next?
Well, you would have to reach out to Jessica
Okay.
who does the scheduling. If you need our support to do that, you would have to reach out to her. But if you want to do it by yourself, you can do it by yourself as well, right? But if you wanted our support, you have to reach out to her and request support and see what day you can schedule it.
Okay. So, can we use just 30 minutes for that if possible? Like once data is ready with us.
Sure, absolutely.
Yeah. So
So you wanna save the last 30 minutes for when you have the data, so you can add data to the system.
yes.
Okay, keep in mind it usually takes longer than 30 minutes.
Okay.
Part numbers and part names to the system, that does not take longer than 30 minutes. But to add companies to the system, that usually does take a little longer.
Okay. Then what I will do is I will add the part master company details from my end. If any query or doubt, we can use this 30 minutes. It is not like we will. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's no problem at all. Absolutely.
Yes. So to add the company details, like we have to go to the global settings, right?
Yes, if you wanted to change the company details, you would go to global settings, right? So
Yeah.
this is a training database that you can practice here. You can go to global settings
Okay.
and you go to your company details, and then you can change it here, right? I mean, you can even change it now and make this one, instead of being component control, you can make it yours, right? So yeah, I encourage you to come here to the training database and, learn how the number logs, how you can change the number logs. You select here, you select edit, and then you can change it. So we're missing that information. We're missing the email information because we also need the email passwords. We need to set that up. So yeah, whenever you have that information, let us know. Again, I'll be glad to assist you.
Sure. So we can add some data in the training database, right? Like few data. It is not harmful for you. Yeah.
Yeah. Two completely databases, right? The training and the live. And the training database, if you want to practice first, adding data, I strongly encourage that. So then you can practice with your own data, your own companies, your own part numbers, etc.
Sure. Okay, then I will. So this 30 minutes, how we can schedule once data is ready, I can mail you, right? Like we are ready for entering the data into our live database.
Yes, once you're ready, let me know. We'll schedule this same time, this exact same time, and we can connect again and try to add whatever information you have.
Sure. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.
No problem. All right. You have a great day.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye.